welcome back. It's 2D. I know it's been a while. Oh my gosh, I've had so much happen in so long. But anyways, I am back. Right now I am doing a refill slash redesign. Well, the design is actually going to be the same. I don't know why we're changing it. I don't know why I took everything off, but she ended up wanting it to be have a similar design, just kind of backwards, switched around. So she really loved this nude. We ended up going with a different Mia Secret nude. This one was a cover pink. I think we ended up using the cover nude for the refill and redesign. I did not like the cover nude as much. It wasn't much coverage. You could actually still see her natural nails slightly underneath. I wasn't a fan of that at all. But anyways, I'll let you guys watch this. Right now I'm using like a 4X drill bit, and I have my drill on almost full speed to cut down and get through this old design. Now I actually try to do the colored acrylic as thin as possible, not too thin where there's no strength, but just enough to where when they come back and I drill it down, it's not a lot of work, because when they're too thick it takes forever to drill through. But anyway, I'm gonna just let you guys watch me work a little bit, and I'm gonna just talk to you a little bit about what's been going on. So anywho, so I moved countries, guys. I'm back home. I'm back in the US. I'm actually gonna be working on transferring my certificates. I was living in Canada and now I am not. I'm back home and I'm so excited, but I am struggling with the transferring my certificates and all that stuff. I haven't retested yet. I haven't did anything like that. I have to retest in order to transfer my nail certificate that I got in Canada. Canada doesn't license, they only certify you. So now that I'm back home, the State Board of Cosmetology where I live says I have to apply. I have to apply to retest to get a license. So basically I have to do like the two different tests, like the practical and the just answering the questions. I can't even think of what that one is, but I'm gonna be working on that. So hopefully once I apply, I get approved to be able to retest, and I can get a license in my state. So I'll let you guys know how that goes. But right now I'm actually just working on my my brother's girlfriend's nails. I'm not really doing anyone's nails right now, just like family and stuff like that. Still adjusting to the move and getting settled and all that. I will be trying to post some nail art idea videos again. I noticed that you guys like those a lot. Comment below with any type of videos you guys want to see. If you guys are interested in my journey on transferring a nail certification into a license from one country to another, let me know. I don't know how it's gonna go. I hope it goes good, because I don't want to take the class. I don't want to start over. I don't want to go take the class again, you know. But apparently they said I should be able to retest. I just have to get the school to email and all the stuff that I all my credentials or everything that I did, and you know, all that stuff, my hours and grades and all that stuff. So yeah, I'll let you guys know how that goes. Like I said, I hope it goes good. I'm a little nervous, honestly, more nervous about the practical part than anything, because actually in Canada, when we did our testing, it was really just, you know, we did the gel nails, and then we did one hand gel, one had acrylic. We performed a manicure, we performed a pedicure, and that was basically it. You know, we did the massage thing and did all that. It wasn't really that technical. It was just do the service, somebody walk by, watch you do it, and then they, you know, kind of graded you on whatever they were grading you on. Here it seems like it's a lot different. I have to, like, I got to get a special kit. I have to get like special acrylic, like odorless acrylic. I think I have to have like a mannequin hand. Everything in the kit has to be specifically labeled. I don't know if they're gonna test me on fiberglass. Like, I know when I was in school, we kind of went over fiberglass, but where I lived in Canada, they said we don't do that, so we don't really need to go over that, but it's here if you want to know how to do it. I've never actually had to do fiberglass nails. So if you guys have tested any of your state boards, do you guys have to perform fiberglass? I'm like worried about figuring out like what to put in my kit. So I'm honestly tempted to go to one of the nail salons in my area and ask them for like help with building up my kit and all that stuff. I don't even know. So that's what I got going on right now, you guys. But yeah, like I said, I'm just doing some nails on my this is my brother's girlfriend's nails. The set previously, I wish I would have recorded. It was so beautiful. It came out so nice, but I didn't have no memory on my phone. But this is just a feel that I ended up doing for her, and it came out not too bad. Like I said, I wasn't impressed with the Mia Secret Cover Nude, I believe it was. It was not very covery. It was more nudie, but it didn't cover much. I don't know if I just like got a bad batch or something or what, but yeah, I really didn't like it as much. But anyway, you guys, comment below if you have any tips for me as far as the practicals. Do they make you do pedicures or not? Because I wasn't sure, because like with COVID, they said they're doing things a lot different, and I'm not sure if I have to even bring a model. I think I just have to bring like some kind of fake hand. So guys, comment below, let me know like any tips that I could have for retesting for I have to do like the reciprocatory. I'm working on that, so comment below, like I said, if you have any tips for me, you guys. I know I was talking out during this video. Hopefully I didn't repeat and ramble too much. I hope you guys enjoy this set. Like I said, yeah, the shape looks great from this angle, but when I was taking the picture, I don't know why I could not get a good angle on it. Sometimes it's just like that, you guys. But anyway, she loved them. She loved them. This is like only her second set of acrylic nails. I did her very first set of acrylic nails she ever had, and she absolutely loved it. So anyways, you guys, I'll talk to you guys later. I'll be trying to post some more videos for you guys, and I'll let you guys know how my journey goes to retest and all that jazz. I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Bye.